Hey there, I specialize in 2D animation and I can tell you that 3D modeling is really complex and also a different discipline altogether than conventional 2D motion graphics, but every now and then we still need to convey like spatial depth in our designs, so the technique we use is called isometric 3D. So in this course, you'll be learning how to create and animate this isometric town scene using Adobe Illustrator and Adobe After Effects. And other than that, you'll also be learning how to design and customize your own isometric 3D buildings and also how to animate them in so it looks super fun and engaging. So why is this important? Well, mastering the art of isometric 3D will really spruce up your portfolio and show potential clients that you're not just limited to the two-dimensional plane. And isometric 3D is particularly popular with web design and presentation graphics, so clients in those fields will want to see this in your portfolio. So other than what I just mentioned, this course will also go over smaller techniques like overshoot, masking, trim path, easing, and also syncing animations to music. So that's going to be really important too. So we're going to start with the theory on isometric design, then I'm going to walk you through how to animate two of the buildings that I've created, and then I'm going to show you how to create and animate your own isometric building. So I guess I should introduce myself. So my name is Ray Lim and I'm a motion designer and editor based in Malaysia, and I've done freelance work for clients all over the world in fields like tourism, medical, F&B, web marketing, renewable resources, and of course a bunch of other smaller ones. Now to follow along this course, you will need the most basic understanding of Adobe Illustrator and Adobe After Effects. But if you're not really that proficient yet, no problem. I will still be explaining stuff like step by step as we go along. Now this course is designed to be a follow along, so all the assets you need are already provided. I've done all the painstaking work to design, to customize, to label and organize everything. So all you need to do is download the assets from the project section, I think it's below or to the side, and you're off to the races. So I'll see you in class.